Hi all, it's Jack from Preact here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the modern Advanced Find. This is a new take on the existing Advanced Find that's currently found in model-driven apps. This is a feature that's currently in preview and will be available for general public release come April. The modern Advanced Find looks to replace the legacy experience but also add new enhancements to view personalization, helping you be more productive. Let's take a look at how this works. Firstly, we need to go ahead and enable this feature. To do this, head to admin.powerplatform.com, choose the appropriate instance, choose Settings, click on Product, Features, and down the bottom we need to make sure that we've got Modern Advanced Find in Model-Driven Apps selected. There's also a separate option to be able to allow users to hide system views, should you want them to be able to do that. And we'll take a look at that in Dynamics shortly. For now, let's head over and take a look at how it works. I'm currently in the Sales Hub, and if you've used the older Advanced Find button, the first thing you'll notice is we've no longer got the Advanced Find button up in the top right-hand corner. This is because I've got Dataverse Search enabled. If you don't have Dataverse Search enabled, it will still appear in the top right-hand corner. If you do have Dataverse Search enabled, all you need to do is click on the search bar, and at the bottom we've got Search for rows in a table using advanced filters. Clicking on this will bring up the Advanced Find pane on the right-hand side, where we can go ahead and select the tables that we'd like to create a search on. For this instance, I'm going to go ahead and click on Accounts, and then click Continue. Because I've chosen an account, it's gone away and found the default accounts view for myself. In this case, it's Active Accounts. As you can see, it's brought in the criteria. We're currently looking at a list of all of our accounts where the status is equal to active. I can now start building out the criteria that I want in this Advanced Find. Clicking on the Add button, I can add a new row, and I can add in any criteria that I'd like to add to this Advanced Find. For this example, I'm going to be searching for all of our active accounts with the City of London. Once I've done this, I can go ahead and click Apply. And you can see it's added an asterisk to our active accounts view to show it's been modified. And now we're being presented with a list of all of our active accounts that are currently in London. If we're not happy with the data that we've received, or we'd like to make any changes, we can go ahead and click on the Edit Filters button, change any criteria, click Apply, and that will update all of the data. If we'd like to change the columns that we're currently seeing, we can click on the Edit Columns button. We can drag and drop at the order of these columns. We can also click on Add Columns and add any other columns we'd like to add into the view. And once we've made these changes, we can go ahead, click Apply, and these will change in the view. Once we're finished with our Advanced Find, we've got the option of saving this as a new view. To do this, click on the View drop-down, click on Save as New View, and here you can type in a name for the view that you'd like to save. You can also add a description, and then click Save. As you can see, this has now updated this and saved this as a view. Microsoft have also added some new functionality that allows us to manage and share our views. If we click on the View drop-down and go down to the Manage and Share Views, we can see it's brought up a new pane on the right-hand side, and here we can choose how we'd like to sort our views at the top. For instance, we can choose Personal before System, or System before Personal, or just A to Z. We've also got the option to hide views in here. If you look down the right-hand side, we've got all the different views that we've got, and in clicking on any of these, I have the ability to hide them. And this is where that setting that we saw earlier in the Power Apps admin comes into play. Once we've hidden all the views that we don't want to be able to see, we can then go ahead and click Apply. And this will apply the changes to the list of our active views. This is a really useful feature because over time our list of views can really build up and we struggle to find the information that we need to be able to see. Using the same menu that we were just in, we can also share our views. Clicking on any of the views that we've got, if we click on the ellipsis at the right hand side, we can go ahead and click Share. We can see who it's already been shared with, we can add new people to share it with, and clicking on the user we can choose what permissions these people have. For instance, can they read, write, delete, assign and share? Once we're happy with the changes, we can go ahead and click share, and that will share this view with the user. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions regarding the modern advanced find. Like this video if you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to the Preact YouTube channel for more videos about Dynamics 365 and the Power Platform in the future.